Okay. So let's see, who else do we need? Do we have everybody? Let's wait until we get Vincent. Yeah. I want to show you some of the parts of the array. It's actually very simple.
Yeah.
So this housing here, the whole purpose for this is to house these two underwater microphones.
Yeah.
And you call them hydrophones. The reason that you put these hydrophones inside this tubing full of oil is so that the water doesn't flow directly over the hydrophone element. Because if the water flows over it or anything moves over it, it's very noisy. So when it's stable inside this very still case of oil, the sound can still hit the hydrophone. The material that the tube is made of and the oil itself is transparent to sound. So in seawater, the sound travels right through and straight to the hydrophone without changing speed. So when there are two ways that you're going to use this hydrophone array. And the one is in a situation like this, when you're driving the boat and you're running, then you'll have it behind the boat. It's designed to be towed through the water. The cable is very strong. It's reinforced with Kevlar inside, so it takes about 2 tons worth of strain to break it. Or a propeller will do it. Now the other way that you'll use it is when you, like what I saw the other day, is that you find the dolphins and then the captain will stop the boat. So at that time, before she stops the boat, then you'll go to the back, you'll get the array, and we'll bring it up and clip it up forward here. Yeah. So really it has 2 attachment points. One is the eye right here that's closer to the array, and that's for clipping on when you're stopped. And then the other one is already clipped on the back, and that's for when you're towing. The length, I think that the towing length of this thing is probably maybe 30 meters or 20, probably like 15 meters or something like that. It's not very long. But the array is designed to be towed. It's safe to tow it at really any speed this boat can do. We can tow these at maybe 20 knots. And I think you're doing 6 or 7. So it's okay at your fastest speed. It's okay to have this in the water. The advantage to having a towed array like this is that you can listen while you're moving the boat. With a normal hydrophone, again, because the water flows over it and makes noise, you can't move the boat at all while you're listening. So in order to use this, what we'll do first is we'll unclip it here.
Okay. Sorry. Excuse me.
So we'll unclip it here, and then we'll just walk back and we'll let it stream out behind the boat, and we'll watch and see how it's looking, and then we'll go from there. So why don't we do that? Let's get permission to deploy it, and then we'll just go ahead and put it over and take a look and see how it does. Okay? All right, good. So let's ask for permission to drop it in the water.